Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 S 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling Lim Zab Siu, and we're talking about things happening around the house. Let's focus on things around the living room today, okay? 我们今天呢就是专注在客厅好了。有些人呢家里会抽烟，对不对？
对啊。
你会看到他的地毯啦、沙发啦、家具啊，
一个洞，
对，3-5个洞都有，对不对？
对。
Some people smoke at home. Hopefully you don't, and you're gonna burn a hole on your sofa. 怎么说？
碰電本炎。
碰電本炎 ，OK， 燒了一個洞，
燒爛一隻孔，
燒爛一隻孔。
那海陸腔的燒是不一樣的燒。
Oh, really?
燒爛一隻孔。
哦，燒爛一隻孔。OK， 一個是燒爛，那一個是
燒爛。
燒爛 ，OK， that's different dialect for saying burning. All right, maybe something more normal. OK， 我们讲比较正常的东西好了。常常看到桌子呢，灰尘啊，很多要擦一下嘛 ，right? Oftentimes you're gonna see the tabletop is covered with dust, and you want to wipe it or dust it, right? 桌子上的这个灰呢，擦一下吧。
老做嘅嘅灰出啦，
出啦，
擦一擦。
哦，出点力，然后出啦就擦一擦。OK， 出啦 that means wipe or dust it. OK， 老做嘅嘅灰出啦。Ooh, and near your door, you're probably going to have a shoe cabinet. 很多时候呢，大家回来鞋子呢就乱丢，对不对？所以呢，我们要叫人家把鞋子呢放到鞋柜里。Okay, please put your shoes into the shoe cabinet.
老海冰入，
老海冰入，
海熊肚，
海熊肚。那这里面鞋子是什么？
海啊，
海啊，哦，海是鞋子哦。Okay, it sounds like the ocean. 海其实是 shoe 鞋子 OK， 老海冰入就是请把
鞋子放进
去 OK， so let's review these phrases right here. The sofa was burnt by a cigarette. 这个沙发呢被香烟烧了一个洞。
碰電本炎，
碰電本炎，
燒爛一隻孔，
燒爛一隻孔 and then please wipe the tabletop. 这个桌子的上的这个灰呢，擦一下吧。
老做嘅嘅灰出啦，
老做嘅嘅灰出啦。And put the shoes into the shoe cabinet. 把鞋子放进鞋柜里。
老海冰入，
老海冰入，
海熊肚，
海熊肚。There you have it. Things around the living room for you. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.